Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a cannot change desktop background wallpaper on Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, now you can see data. First of all, open a control panel. Open control panel. Now you can select a category and click on a optimize visual desktop. Scroll down and now you can see data remove background image. So uncheck it and click on apply and OK button.
Always scan this section.
Now you can see that. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a run and open a run command. After opening the run command, type a command is percentage app data percentage and press OK. After opening that, click on views, click on show and make sure that hidden items is checked. After that, go to your Microsoft, go to your Windows, click on themes, and now you can see that file name is transcode wallpaper. Right click, rename, and type a transcode wallpaper.old and press OK. Close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.